Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, after completing the last video, my GoPro decided to ruin all the files, so I have to retake the video. I started wiring and actually I completed finally the whole wiring of the bike, and I had a bunch of them that ended up to be useless because connected with the main screen in the bike, so it was kind of hard to understand which one was the right cable to do. So I decided to give up with this and practically draw it down a simpler diagram that helped me to better understand which one of the cable should have gone where. And starting with that base, I was able to actually complete my diagram, and practically I have this input of my 36 volt battery that will go into one fuse box, but before that it will be connected to a DC-DC converter that will lower down the 36 volts to 24 volt. After going inside one of these fuse boxes, there is another DC-DC converter, 24 to 12, that practically allows me to use the 12 volt light equipment that I have put on the bike. Now, as a final stage, I have to put the new front light that it doesn't match the size of the case here, so I have a new housing specifically for this one, and well, after that I think hopefully we are ready to go. And I was finally able to make everything work, but with a small change. Compared with what we had said at the beginning, that we were going to use a DC-DC converter, what I have found is that it's not working. I mean, I have the voltage that I want from one side, but the other one is not actually coming as I want. So what I decided to do is bypass the problem and add the second battery, 24 volt battery, that will only be used to power the lights. The main battery, 36 volts, will only be used to power the motor. So here we are with the final results. The switch that I've added here is the one that is power the lights. And I can change high beam, low beam. And of course, with the same logic here, the brake light. And then here I have added the key. So I put some silicone here, so that's why it moves too much, but it's on. And if I moving the accelerator, of course, it works perfectly. It took a while, longer than I wanted, but finally we made it. I hope that this can help other people with the EC-02 or the EC-03, that is actually the same style model with the motor hub on the back and potentially with the same issues with the motor controller. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any question related to this bike and the way that I have fixed it, and see you in the next one. Bye!